Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to new live stream. At the rate MBSZ1 is extremely devoted for mathematics content, for presenting mathematics content. If you're part of this channel for long, you must know that this channel is telecasting the content from the for the last 5 years now. So it has been a while now that we are presenting this mathematics content. I hope that the voice is clear. So today's topic is factorization of quadratic expression. Quadratic expression is a topic. Quadratic expression is a mathematical structure, a polynomial mathematical structure which appears almost everywhere when it comes to solving mathematics problems in almost every mathematics paper, 9th, 10th, ICS, Matric, O levels, A levels, even in graduation, wherever you appear and study mathematics as subject, or if you are doing engineering, software engineering, or the electric engineering, civil engineering, wherever you study calculus, you may come across this topic: completing square, midterm break method, the quadratic expression, finding the solution of the quadratic equation. So these are the topics you may come across essentially when you study mathematics. So on these levels, right? So let us begin today's work. Let us see that what questions we have. Actually, these are the questions taken from IGCSE perspective. So IGCSE 0580 and 4024, even 9708. I hope that I am uh, taking the correct uh, announcing the correct code before you. 9708, I guess, is A levels mathematics, right? So 402, 40580, these are O levels IGCSE, Cambridge mathematics past papers questions. These are the questions motivated, are the chosen on the basis of the past papers. So they will be practiced here, they will be solved before here. You here will be we will be understanding that what is the method to crack these quadratic expressions in terms of, or with the perspective of midterm breaking method, with the perspective of completing square. Actually, the factorization is the topic. Actually, the title of the video is factorization. So when it is factorization, then midterm break method is the method we use to factorize. Usually we factorize using midterm break method, not always, but midterm break method is applied usually to find factors of quadratic equation, right? So let us begin. These are the questions taken from IGCSE perspective. Okay, so let us begin our work today. I hope that you can hear the sound voice of the commentator well. So here, my name is Mohammad Zakir. I've been teaching to mathematics to these grades for teaching mathematics to these grades for several years now. It's been almost 2 decades that I've been teaching these concepts. So let us begin. Today, one of the example is here is Are you able to see this? It is factorization. Let us write the title here. Factorization. I guess I don't need to start from here, I need to start slightly on the right side. So scrolling it up. I hope students, viewers, that you like to hit the like button also in order to support me, support this cause. It's a cause of development of the humanity, the mental development, the enthusiasm for learning, factorization of quadratic expression. Factorization of quadratic expressions. So some of the expressions are taken as an example. For example, the first one is 3x square. One of them is, using the different color pen will be okay, 3x square plus 14x plus 8. Actually, after taking today's class, you will be able to do the midterm break in every situation, right? So midterm break method will be a piece of a cake for you, right? So let us begin. Here, see that we are going to multiply these two, the first and the last term, the x square coefficient and the constant term. We multiply these two, they make 24, right? 8 multiplied by 3 make 24. So the 24 is the number we are going to focus on. 24 as factors: 1 multiplied by 24, 2 multiplied by 12, 3 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 6. So we need that pair, you know, that pair of factors, pair of factors, pair of factors, pair of factors. So we need that, those factors which can make 14. So obviously, after looking at these, I guess that 12 and 2 can make 14. So obvious, it is very much obvious and basic information that 12 and 2 can make 10, as well as can make. So viewers, are you there watching this video? Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. I was wanting to approach this video from the other device. So let us check that while I'm going live or not. Yeah, it is going live. And hit the like button. I'm writing here for you, Assalamu alaikum, right? So you can say wa alaikum assalam to me also, and you can write any criticism, any supportive comment you want. Okay, so let us see here. It is 3x squared plus 14x plus 8, that is being factorized using midterm break method. We have factorized. First we multiply 3 and 8, so they make 24. 24 is the number we need to focus on. Okay, so the 20 is can be formed using 2 and 12. So 2 and 12 can make 14 for us, right? So we choose this pair. We choose this pair, 2 and 12. So how can we utilize it here? It is 3x square plus 14 can be written as 2 plus 12. Okay, 14 can be written as 2 plus 12 plus 8. No matter if you write 12 first or 2 first, that doesn't make any difference, right? So 3x square plus, now here we expand the bracket, it makes 2x plus 12x plus 8, and then it's guarantee, students, that viewers, that after watching this video completely, you will be able to learn midterm break method once forever, right? So be careful that you are be aware that you are attending that quality content where the uh, concepts are expressed in so clear way that you will be understanding it easily. We can see first two terms, 3x and 2, 3x square and 2x, and these we can find only the x only x is common. So if we take that out, what will remain inside? You know that if x is taken away from 3x squared, so 3x will remain there, right? If x is taken from 2x, 2 is remaining, can be written inside bracket. And 12 and 8 are divisible by 4, so 4 is common in these two, right? 4 is common. 4 divides 12 by 3, so 3x. 4 is taken from 12, so 3x remains. 4 taken from 8, 2 is left. 4 2s are 8, right? In this way, so we can see that factorization is successful because 3x plus 2 is appears twice. It is the guarantee that you are applying the midterm break method correct. 3x plus 2 is the common factor. X plus 4 is the other. So it has been factorized. Viewers, I hope that you will understand and appreciate this solution. So then moving to the next example, moving to another question, let us use this space here. So choosing this color, green color, right? Or blue color? Yeah, blue color. Choosing blue color for it. Here is another example. What is that? 8x squared plus 2x minus 1. See that it is 8x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 1, right? Plus 2x minus 1. So this is another example. And how can we crack it? Same method. Multiply these two, right? 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. So 8 has factors. 1 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by what? No. If we write again, look, if we write if we will write that again, the factors will be repeated, right? So we don't want to write that again. It means that 8 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 as only the two factors. If we would like to write 8 multiplied by 1, that will be repeated, right? So here what we have, so we have to choose that pair which can make 2 for us here. See in the middle, it is 2 written. So these two, 2 and 4 can make 2. Okay, so we select this pair. And now what can we write? 8x squared plus, here we can break 2 as 2 can be broken, can be written in terms of 4 and 2. So 4 minus 2 can be written, right? 4 and 2 is selected from here, from this pair, and minus 1 is the other value here. So 8x squared plus expanding bracket 4x minus 2x minus 1, and then we can see that what is common in these two. What is common? 8x squared plus 4x. What is common? So 4 divides both. 4 is common, x is common. If you take away 4x from here, 2x remains, right, in place of 8. If you take 4x from here, 1 is remaining here. So minus 1 is common, these two, and these two, minus 2x minus 1, minus 1 is common. That becomes 2x plus 1. So see that 2x plus 1 is one factor, 2x plus 1 is the other factor. 2x plus 1 is one factor. It is the guarantee that you have applied midterm break method so well that this 2x plus 1 appears twice. So it is written commonly once, and the other factor is 4x minus 1. So the midterm break method is applied successfully, and the outcome is here. We have factorized this expression also. So let us move ahead. Scrolling it up, we can move to another example. For example, 2x squared minus 19x. Uh, Viewers, if anyone, the student of the 9th, 10th FSC ICS O levels 0580 mathematics, 4024 mathematics, calculus in the BS, Bachelors of Science, BCS, whether in computer science, whether in any subjects like physics, chemistry, or civil engineering, or electrical engineering, uh, computer science engineering, whatever you do, you can come across quadratic expression, midterm break method. And if you're struggling in that, this video will help you so much to understand the concept well. Okay, so please subscribe the channel, hit the like button. We are presenting a quadratic expression midterm break method to factorize it. Here is another example: 2x square minus 19x plus 9. This is what we have now. So how can we crack it? We have to factorize. So we can factorize it like this. By multiplying these two, we get 18. 9 twos, 18. So 18 can be factorized as 1 multiplied by 18, 2 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 6. So these are the factors of 18, right? So we have to select that pair which can make 19 for us. 6 and 3 can make 3 and 9, so this is not selected. 9 2 can make 11, can make 7, not selected. 18 and 1 can make 17 and 19, so we need the pair which can make 19, so this pair makes 19. Okay, this pair makes 19, so it means that we have to select this pair. We select this pair and look how we apply on it, like this: 2x square minus this 19 can be written as 18, can be written as 18 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 18 or 18 plus 1 plus 9. So see that it is 2x square, 2x square, minus 19x, minus 19x, plus 9, plus 9. Only thing we differ uh, from the previous step is we have broken 19 into 18 plus 1 form. So after that we expand the bracket, only bracket in the expression: 2x square minus 18x minus x plus 9. So what we get here, 2x and 18x, and these two is common because 2 divides 2 and 2 divides 18, so 2 is common, right? So 2x is taken common. When you take 2x away from when you take 2x away from 2x square, x is left. When you take 2x away from 18x, 9 is remaining, right? So minus x and 9, they have only one common, so that makes x minus plus minus 9. This is the guarantee that you have applied factorization concept well. The guarantee is that you have applied the concept well. What is the guarantee? The same factor appearing here is the guarantee. See that it is x minus 9, it is x minus 9. Same factor appears here. We write that once, x minus 9. And with it, what else? 2x minus 1 is the other factor. So this has been completely solved. Thank you so much for joining, for watching the video. Please hit the like button so that the video can go a little more ahead to other audience, and viewership must increase. Your support is like oxygen for us, so please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. We can have another example to reinforce the concept, to emphasize on the important steps. Let us attempt another example: 12x square plus 8x minus 15. So this is another example we have. Please hit the like button, write the comment like below, or write the comment right below. So here again, slightly advanced form. So 15 multiplied by 12, right? As usual, we multiply the coefficient of the second degree term and the constant term, right? X square term coefficient and the constant term. We multiply them, we get 180. Now we have to factorize 180. We have to write the factors of 180. How can we write? Factors of 180 are easy to write. 1 multiplied by 180, 2 multiplied by 90, 3 multiplied by 60, 4 multiplied by 45, 5 multiplied by, so if 5 divides at 36, right? 36. So then we can have 8 multiplied by, does it divide that? No, it doesn't divide. 8 multiplied by 20 is 160. 8 multiplied by 22 will be 176. So no, 8 doesn't divide it. 9 divides. 9 multiplied by 20. And we have 10. 10 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied. 8 also divides. No? No, no, no. 8 doesn't divide. 10 divides. 10 multiplied by 18. Yeah. 10 multiplied by 18. So out of all these, we have to select a pair. See that what is written in the middle. In the middle, it is 8 written. And quadratic equation given, quadratic expression given, 8 is in the middle. So when 8 is in the middle, then we have to make 8. We have to select that pair of from these factors which can make 8 for us. Can 180 and 1 make 8? No. 2 and 90? No. 3 and 60 can make 8? No. 4 and 45 cannot make. 5 and 36 cannot make it. 9 and 20 can make, look, 9 and 20 can make 29 and 11. When they are added, 29. When the subtraction is done, 11. So they can also can't make it, but these two can make it. 10 and 18 can make it. So we select this pair. Okay, out of all these, we select this pair. And how we utilize this information? 12x square plus, can we write 18, 8 in the broken form, 18 minus 10. 8 can be written as 18 minus 10. Using 18 and 10 from the factors of 180, we can write 8 as 18 minus 10. After that, 12x square plus, expanding the bracket, we have 18x minus 10x minus 15. Then in 12x square and 18x, what is common? 6 divides both, right? So 6x is common. 6 divides 12 by 2. If you take 6 away from 12, 2 is left. X away from 12x square, x remains, right? So because 2x are with 12, 1 is outside, 1 is inside the bracket. After that, 18 divides, 6 divides 18 by 3. So x also has gone out. Means you take away 6 from 18, 3 is left. X away, no more variable is left here. Minus, and 10 and 15, what is the common value? What is their common divisor? 5 is their common divisor. From here you can understand this concept, how are we taking common. So common divisor of 10 and 15 is 5. So when you divide 10 by 5, you get 2, and x will also appear inside. Minus minus plus, so 5 divides 15 by 3. So 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, this same x factor appearing here confirms the correct solution, of factorization method, right? 2x plus 3 is commonly written once, and 6x minus 5 is the other factor. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, share the this video, and if you can, please write down the comment. So this has been factorized. That midterm break method is used to factorize this quadratic expression. Viewers, hope you're enjoying this mathematics content. If you are not associated with mathematics, how can you stay here? So obviously it is very much relevant for you, and if you love mathematics, then you are the great person, one of the greatest persons on earth, those who love mathematics. So if you can write the comment below, it will be highly appreciable. Thank you for your support. We move to another example where we'll be understanding midterm break method, and I'll be waiting for your comments here. As I said, assalamu alaikum. You can write walaikum assalam. Please write down the comment, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. This is a kind of an oxygen you can provide us, so you know that oxygen is essential for human being and for mathematician, and for YouTuber. Your likes, your subscribe and your comment is an oxygen. So minus 2x square. Here we have another question, another example which slightly deviates from the basic form. So the standard form, it deviates from the standard form. So that is why it becomes important to work on in order to strengthen the concept. So minus 2x square minus 13x. Look, minus 2x square minus 13x. Can you do this? If you can do this before me, you are the genius, right? I guarantee you that you are strong in this concept. If you can do it before me, you can take the paper and you can solve this by yourself and can prove yourself to be a better mathematician. So if you can do, first step is very important. If you can do the first step in the right way, you are half done, right? So after, if you do it before, please announce here in the chat box that you have done before me. So I'm gonna explain it. We have to take minus sign common, right? Minus sign is taken common. Why minus sign taken common? To make it in standard form, to make it look familiar to our brain. Minus minus plus 13 and minus minus plus 15. So then minus common here. Now we have to work inside these square brackets. So see that the coefficient of x square and constant term when are multiplied, what do they give us? 15 to 30. Now we have to find the factors of 30. 1 multiplied by 30, 2 multiplied by 15, 3 multiplied by 10, 4 no doesn't divide, 5 multiplied by 6, and 3 multi. Now if we keep writing, so we will be repeating these in the opposite order, like 10 multiplied by 3, so that doesn't make any difference. So don't, there is no need to write them again. So it means that these are the factors. We have to choose a pair which will make 13 for us, right? 13 is in the middle. So 13 can be made from these two. 15 and 2 can make 13 for us. We select this. Others cannot contribute like this. So here it is 2x square plus 13 can be written as 15 minus 2 and x plus 15. Then we can see that we can expand the square bracket, round bracket inside, right? So 2x square plus 15x minus 2x plus 15, and then we see that what is common in first two terms. In first two terms, x is common. So when you take away x from 2x square, 2x remains there. When you take away x from 15x, 15 is left inside. Minus 1 is common, obviously. From 2x and plus 15, only 1 is common. So 2x minus plus minus 15 will remain here because 1 is taken common. That doesn't make any difference. And minus, look, 2x plus 15, 2x minus. Okay. It seems to go different, right? So 15 minus 2. It means that factorization goes wrong here. Why wrong? Because this has to be plus sign. Okay, viewers, this is actually I'm taking from a book, but there is an error in that book because it needs to be for successful. See that it was the guarantee. I told you earlier that this is the guarantee that uh, of correct factorization. The guarantee for correct factorization is that these two factors are similar. When they are not similar, the factorization is not correct. Okay, it is not correct. Right, so it means that we did not follow a correct method. So it means that this is not successful, right? So we can turn back to select another pair. Okay, one thing more can be seen here that we selected a pair 15 multiplied by 2. It can make 13, but there is another pair also. So that was a try which was using eh, we used 15 and 2, but that was did not go well. So this pair can make 13 but is not suitable for factorization. So this is here 10 3 is suitable. So let us see. 2x square plus 13 can be written as 10 plus 3. So you can also come across such situation when two pairs are suitable seen because we check them that they should make the middle term. The addition or subtraction can give us the middle term 13. So see that 15 and 2 can give us 13. 10 and 3 can also give us. So we have to select one out of these two. So after checking we come across that 15 2 don't work, 10 and 3 will do. So 2x square plus 10x expansion of the round bracket gives us 10x plus 3x plus 15. And then you can see that what is common in 2x and 10x is 2x, right? This is common. 2x is taken from 2x square, x is left. 2 is taken from 10, 5 is left, right? X is also shifted out, so 5. Plus 3x plus 15. What is common in these two? 3 divides both of them. So x plus 5. Then we have, now this is the guarantee. You know that it appears x plus y is the same factor. It means that we have done the factorization in a correct way. So see, x plus 5 is one factor and x plus 2x plus 3 is the other. And minus sign will also appear here. So that minus sign can be written without using square bracket. So without using square bracket, we can write minus sign here. So viewers, this has been the topic and the working and the content of the today's video. It was a live stream. So this live stream, not many people have watched it, but if you can, okay, let us finish this topic. Let us finish this topic by attempting some more parts. Yeah, so some more parts. So only one more part I'll select to solve here. So what is that? Which one is that? That needs a little simplification and making. First, we have to reach to the standard form of quadratic equation. Then we will be factorizing it. So we don't have that standard form initially. It means we have to work on to get that standard form. For example, this is 2x plus 1 whole square. 2x plus 1 whole square minus 8 times 2x plus 1 plus 15. So how can we apply the factorization method? Actually, this factorization is done when the expression is completely expanded. So first we have to expand it completely. 2x, see that it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. The formula works here. The famous formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, which makes a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is expanded like a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? 8 2 16 x minus plus minus 8 ones 8 plus 15, and then see that 2x square whole square makes 4x square plus 1 plus 4x here minus 16x. 15 and 8 get subtracted and plus 7 is left behind. So here we have 4x square. The constant term 16 and 4 can make minus 12x. 7 and 1 can make plus 8. So this is ready now for midterm break method, or can be worked, can be simplified a little more. We can see that all these 4, 12, 8 divisible by 4, so 4 can be taken common. If 4 is written outside, x square remains inside. From 12x, if 4 is removed and taken away, 3x will remain. 4 is taken away from 8, 2 is left there. So it is very easy midterm break method. See that the coefficient of x square is 1 and 2. They will make 2. So 2 has factors 2 multiplied by 1, right? They can make 3, which is the midterm, right? Midterm means middle term. So middle term here is 3, that is made by 2 multiplied by 1, this factor. How can we see it utilized here? 3 is written as 2 plus 1 times x plus 2. 4 remains outside square brackets, and we can expand round bracket. X square minus 2x plus minus minus x, here it will be minus x plus 2. So then we have to take common first two terms. X is common, x minus 2 is one factor, minus 1 is common, x minus 2 is the other. So factorization is almost done, right? X minus 2 is the value we have. So x minus 2 is written once, right? One of the factor. The other is x minus 1. And by removing square brackets, we can write 4 also together with it. So actually it has 3 factors. One factor is 4, the other is x minus 2, the third one is x minus 1. So viewers, thank you so much for joining, for watching the video, for appreciating, for supporting the content. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, share the video with and your acquaintance to support this YouTube channel, which is extremely devoted for mathematics content. Provide oxygen, provide your support. Thank you so much.